All right, I'm going to give a real quick overview of the brake lines. Just finished up today. So I've got a Hydroboost system on here from Forte. So put a 37-degree single flare on these two connections. These are the 3AN connections to the Hydroboost. So you can kind of see how I did the routing there. Some cable clips. And then came around underneath the 3/4 inch square frame to the T adapter, the front brake. From there I came around the front joist here, down the V, around to the front passenger side, brought it around there as well. For the rear brake line, so it came out of the Hydroboost underneath the frame. You can see it runs down. From there it goes underneath the control arm. Let's see if you can see it down here. And then I ran across the 4-inch frame tube. Only thing I don't like is I had to put a little small connection here in the middle because the tube lengths weren't long enough. So more joints is obviously another potential leak point, which is not great, but had to do what I had to do. Ran it back. That little bump up there is really just for strain relief, so that I could make sure I could fit that center section in there without running short or running too long. And then came up, as many have done, up here underneath. From in here, came up through here and across to the rear brake T right here. And then from here ran this over and across to get the passenger rear side right there. Everything's buttoned up. Went ahead and torqued everything down. So I put little torque indicators just showing myself that I had actually tightened it already. So all the connections have that. And that's it.